Watch till the end to get a special treat. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hello guys, Charles from Tinman Metalworks here. We are going to download Inkscape, which literally every CNC plasma owner should be using. So we're just going to open up a browser here. We're going to type in Inkscape. Go to inkscape.org. It's a free program. Now, when you come to this website, it's going to automatically detect what operating system you have. I'm running Windows, so it's obviously going to pick Windows. Just sit here for a second. The window will automatically open for download here. We are just going to go through the steps. We've all installed programs before, so just let it go through and do its thing. We're all finished. Now I have my icon down here at the bottom of the screen, so we're just going to go ahead and open up Inkscape. And there it is. Mine's on dark mode. I'll show you how to do that here in a minute. Let's go on to the next lesson and learn how to set up our defaults.
What if I told you that mastering CNC plasma sign design and becoming a master at sales and marketing your work doesn't require expensive software or years of experience? You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need the right tools, the right tutorials, and a proven step-by-step roadmap. I built my CNC plasma business from the garage with a 2-foot by 2-foot plasma table up to a 5,000 square foot full-blown metal fab shop, and now I'm giving away the exact tools and pathway to how I did it. Inside is all of the information I wish I had when I first started 7 years ago. This includes a free Inkscape drawing tutorial video set that teaches you how to draw, design, and prep your files for plasma cutting like a pro, start to finish. And I'm also unlocking access to our CNC Plasma Sales Masterclass, where you'll learn how to turn your hobby into a full-blown, profitable business. When you click the link below, you'll get instant access to our step-by-step Inkscape training, ready to cut SVG sign files, our plasma sign pricing calculator, a free QuickBooks Masterclass to track your sales, our complete CNC plasma business roadmap, and my exclusive member-only content that I will never post on YouTube. Inside, you'll find tons of downloadable files and private video lessons waiting for you. If you're ready to stop guessing, if you're tired of endlessly searching YouTube, and ready to finally build a CNC plasma business that pays you what you're worth so that you can go full-time and quit your day job, you can escape the rat race just like I did, and I'm going to show you how. Click the link below in the description, sign up for free, and I'll see you inside.